Before installation, you need to change the left and right direction of this lock. So how to change it? Look, screw here. Let's take it down. And I move it to another side. And install the screw to the opposite side. Okay, now the direction changed successfully. Let's change the interior handle. It's a little bit different. There are two screws. Take the two screws down. First, second, same. Rotate it to the opposite side and install. Okay. Now the direction changed successfully. Before installation, you also need to install this on the lock. Later you will know what it is used for. Look in here very carefully. Here is a very small arrow. Look in here. So when you install the lock, whatever happens, you can't make this arrow up. You must make sure the arrow is face down, okay? And double check. The arrow should be face down. If you make the arrow face up, so anyone can unlock the door without finger, password, key, and code. Anyone can unlock it. To make sure it's very strong and never move, insert the spindle. Make the wire go through the door. Install interior handle. Connect the wire. The small spindle goes through the lock body. So the installation is okay. Install the batteries. 4 pieces double A battery. Okay, installation successful. When you first time get the lock, any unregistered finger and any IC card can unlock it, and the default password is 123456. Okay, let's try. Touch to light up the screen, press this and pound key, and the system requests you to register the first enemy. Okay, let's press 2 to go up, press 8 to go down. Okay, let's register fingerprint user. Press pound key to confirm.
Please enter fingerprint.
Okay, look.
Please continue with fingerprint entry failure. Please continue with fingerprinting. Please continue with fingerprinting. User registered successfully.
Now this finger is enemy. Let's quit. And if after you register the enemy, you enter the system setting,
Please verify.
you need to verify the fingerprint enemy. Now I enter into the lock system. Okay. Now look, you can there user management, record, system setting. Okay, let's add some user. Press pound key to confirm. Press this key to quit. Confirm. End user and delete user. Let's end user. And enemy user, normal user. Let's end enemy user, normal user. Okay, let's register a password.
Please enter a 6 to 10 digit password.
6 digit.
Please re-enter your password. User registered successfully.
Let's register a IC card user.
Please swipe card. User registered successfully.
Very simple. Swipe it. Okay, let's reset the log to factory state. Go to System Setting, go to Other Settings, go to Factory Reset, press pound key to confirm.
The operation will delete all user data. To confirm, press the pound key.
Press pound key.
Factory setting being restored. Factory settings restored successfully.
Now the log reset
Press
to
the
the,
pound key to add administrative user.
so the log returned to the factory state already. Press this to quit. And also there is another method to reset the log. Okay. Open the back side, the battery cover. Look at here. Press it. Don't move. Wait.
Please raise.
5 seconds.
Setting being restored.
5 seconds the log reset.
Factory settings restored successfully.
Okay, now the log reset to the factory state.
To add administrative user.
Okay, this is the second way to reset the log.